She prays in the church. She prays in the church. She prays in the church. I'm thinking about learning a new language. I'm thinking about learning a new language. I'm thinking about learning a new language. He is worried about the exam result. He is worried about the exam result. He is worried about the exam result. They talked about the game. She told me about the accident. We read about the history of the city. I'm excited about the concert. He asked about the price again. They worried about the weather forecast. She is curious about the news. We talked about the book. I told her about my day. He is happy about his success. They asked about the food. She worries about her family. We learned about the animals in the zoo. I'm thinking about the future. He talked about his experience. They are excited about the trip. She asked about the schedule. We read about the new discovery. I'm worried about the meeting. He told me about the event. They talked about their plans. She is afraid about the test. We asked about the directions. I'm curious about the results. He thinks about his future. They learned about the culture. She is happy about her new job. We discussed about the problem. I read a story about friendship. He asked about the time. They are worried about the weather. She told me about her trip. We talked about the movie. I'm excited about the party. He explained about the rules. They wrote an article about the environment. She worries about her job. We asked about the price. I'm thinking about moving to a new city. He told me about his family. They talked about their vacation. She is curious about the new project. We had a discussion about the plan. I read a book about animals. He is worried about the test. They learned about the history of Korea. She asked about your health. We talked about the weather. We escaped from the heavy rain. We escaped from the heavy rain. She learned from watching TV. I got a postcard from my friend. He got injured from the accident. We took information from the book. She moved from the city to the countryside. I received advice from my teacher. The gift came from my parents. He got a phone call from his friend. We learned from our failures. She escaped from danger. I got a book from the library. He came from a wealthy family. We bought souvenirs from the shop. She got help from her friends. I heard a story from my grandmother. The letter came from my uncle. He learned a lesson from the mistake. We received news from the city. She recovered from the accident. I got a message from my boss. He bought clothes from the mall. We took advice from the doctor. She came from a distant place. I heard a song from the radio. The package arrived from Japan. He got money from his job. We learned a lot from the experience. She escaped from the room. I received a gift from my friend. The letter came from overseas. He recovered from his illness. We bought fruit from the market. She learned to cook from her grandmother. I got a call from my mother. He came from a small town. We heard good news from the radio. She got a message from her friend. I received an email from my teacher. They escaped from the danger. The gift is from my brother. He learned English from watching movies. We took a bus from the station. She moved here from another country. I got help from my parents. They came from the city. He bought a gift from the store. We learned a lot from the teacher. She is from Korea. I got a letter from my friend. She opened the door for the guest. I'm waiting for my turn. We bought tickets for the concert. This place is good for hiking. He saved money for his education. They worked for the community. She thanked him for the gift. I cooked dinner for my friends. We waited for the movie to start. This medicine is for headaches. He studied for the test all night. They built a playground for children. She bought clothes for the winter. I'm thankful for my family. We made a cake for the celebration. This gift is for all of you. He opened the window for fresh air. They sang for the audience. She asked for some water. I bought a present for my sister. We waited for the rain to stop. This letter is for you. He made a plan for the weekend. They prayed for their country. She cooked breakfast for her parents. I'm looking for a new job. We brought gifts for the children. This song is for you to enjoy. He studies hard for the exam. They built a house for their family. She waited for her friend at the station. I'm grateful for your help. We prepared a surprise for his birthday. This medicine is for your health. He opened the door for her. She saved money for a new car. They sang a song for the teacher. I made a card for my friend. We cleaned the room for our guest. This seat is for the elderly. He works hard for success. She bought a cake for the party. They prayed for peace. I'm looking for my keys. This book is for beginners. We waited for the bus. She works for a big company. I bought flowers for my mother. The package was shipped by air. He succeeded by never giving up. The photos were taken by a photographer. She traveled by car to the countryside. The work was done by the employees. They went to the concert by taxi. The food was cooked by a professional chef. He learned French by studying every day. The documents were approved by the manager. She traveled by motorcycle. The report was prepared by the team leader. We went to the beach by bus. The letter was signed by the president. He improved by practicing daily. The package was received by the customer. She traveled by ferry to the island. The email was sent by my boss. He got to school by learning. The painting was displayed by the museum. They went to the park by foot. The letter was delivered by the postman. He learned to cook by watching videos. The song was composed by a young musician. We traveled by subway in the city. The house was cleaned by the cleaning service. He solved the puzzle by thinking carefully. The flowers were picked by the gardener. She went home by taxi. The letter was written by my friend. We traveled by bicycle yesterday. The message was sent by phone. He won the game by practicing every day. The problem was solved by the team. They came by boat. The movie was directed by a famous director. He paid by credit card. The book was found by the librarian. She reached the school by walking. The cake was made by my mother. We traveled by plane last summer. The song was sung by a famous singer. He succeeded by working hard. The house was built by a famous architect. They came by train. The letter was sent by mail. She learned English by listening. The picture was painted by my father. We went to school by car. He traveled by bus. The book was written by her. They smiled with happiness. He painted the house with white paint. We danced with the music. She listened with interest. I ran with my friends in the park. They worked with great effort. He studied with a notebook. We rapped with the children. She spoke with confidence. I painted with bright colors. They cooked with fresh vegetables. He smiled with his eyes. We played music with instruments. She studied with concentration. I shared the story with my friends. They walked with umbrellas in the rain. He works with many people. He wrote letters with colored pens. She laughed with joy. I ate lunch with my coworkers. They talked with the teacher about homework. He fixed the car with a wrench. We studied with a tutor. She danced with her partner. I played games with my cousins. They traveled with backpacks. He smiled with pride. We shared the food with others. She talked with the doctor. I wrote the report with my computer. They laughed with their friends. He worked with his hands. We sang with the choir. She runs with her dog every morning. I painted the wall with a brush. They played with the new toys. He came with his brothers. We talked with the manager. She cooked with her mother. I studied with my classmates. They danced with joy. He fixed the bike with tools. We traveled with a guide. She smiled with happiness. I wrote a letter with a pen. They worked with the new computer. He talks with his teacher. We eat dinner with our neighbors. She plays with her friends. I'm with my family. She whispered to her friend during class. They walked to the store together. I wrote a letter to my grandparents. He talked to the doctor about his health. We drove to the mountains for vacation. She gave the book to her friend as a gift. They listened to the teacher carefully. I moved to a new city last month. He sent an email to his professor. We talked to the manager about the problem. She looked to her left and smiled. They returned to the hotel late. I gave the keys to my sister. He listens to the radio every morning. We shouted to the children to stop. She sent flowers to her mother. They flew to Japan last year. She sent flowers to her mother. We shouted to the children to stop. He listens to the radio every morning. I gave the keys to my sister. They returned to the hotel late. He listens to the radio every morning. We shouted to the children to stop. She sent flowers to her mother. They flew to Japan last year. I said hello to my neighbor. He passed the ball to his teammate. We planned to go to the concert. She showed the photo to her friend. They came to visit us. I listened to the story carefully. He pointed to the sky. We drove to the beach yesterday. She talks to her baby every day. They shouted to get help. I'm looking to buy a car. He sent a message to his boss. We listened to the music together. She smiled to her mother. Turn to page 10. They moved to a new house. I want to talk to you. He gave the book to the teacher. We travel to Seoul next week. She wrote a note to her friend. They run to catch the bus. I am going to the library. Please listen to me. He talks to his brother. Look to the left. She goes to the market. I send a letter to my mom. Give this to your friend. They walk to the park. He listens to music. We talk to our teacher. She gives a gift to him. I go to school. He laughed at the funny story. She smiled at her friend. We are at the station. He is at the gym. Look at the clock. They arrived at sunrise. She is good at dancing. The dog barked at the stranger. We stayed at home. I am at the office. She laughed at the story. He works at the hospital. They are at the museum. Look at the stars. We met at noon. She shouted at the crowd. He is at the cinema. They smiled at us. I am good at painting. The cat is at the door. She is standing at the window. He arrived at midnight. We are at the beach. She waved at me. They are at the library. Look at this photo. He is good at basketball. I was at the meeting. She is at the bank. He left at the movie. The children are at the playground. They looked at the painting. We stayed at a hotel. She is good at singing. He is sitting at the desk. I arrived at the airport. They are at the party. She shouted at him. Look at that bird. He is at work now. We are at the restaurant. The book is at the table. They are at the mall. She smiled at me. I am good at math. He arrived at the station. Meet me at the park. The kids are at school. She is at the door. They laughed at the joke. Look at the sky. He is good at cooking. We met at 3 o'clock. She is at the church. I am at home. The crown shines on his head. She rested on the bed. The Spirit came on them. He sat on the throne. The glory is on the road. I saw a stain on the robe. Jesus died on the cross. The fish is on the fire. The bread is on the tray. The gift is on the chair. He places his hand on my shoulder. The dove landed on the branch. The pen is on the notebook. She set the ball on the table. There is a picture on the wall. He leaned on the wall. The scroll is on the stand. We placed our hope on God. She laid her hands on the sick. The crown of thorns was on his head. There is ink on the page. I saw a mark on the stone. They walked on the road. The cat sleeps on the log. He prayed on the mat. She stood on the path. The candle is on the table. The bird is on the tree. The rain fell on the roof. I sat on the rock. The child stood on the bed. There is dust on the Bible. She drew a heart on the card. He leaned on the cane. The light is on the ceiling. We sat on the bench. The crown is on the king's head. She placed flowers on the grave. I lay my head on the pillow. The food is on the plate. There is a lamp on the desk. He put his feet on the stool. The basket is on the floor. My hand is on the Bible. We wrote a note on the paper. The angel stood on the mountain. He put the letter on the altar. There is oil on the ground. He placed the cup on the rock. The cross is on the wall. She sits on the chair. I put my hand on the door. The book is on the shelf. Jesus walked on the water. The Bible is on the table. God is in our midst. mist. The dove is in the tree. I stay in his love. The rock is in the desert. Peace is in the Lord. Jesus prayed in the night. The children are in line. She keeps it in her heart. The oil is in the lamp. His name is written in heaven. People gathered in the city. The fish swim in the sea. Joy lives in Jesus. The word is in the Bible. We wait in silence. She cried in the night. Jesus taught in the synagogue. The angels sang in the sky. Hope grows in our hearts. God is in control. We trust in his name. He was baptized in the river. Water is in the jar. A voice came in the wind. The cross stands in the church. The rams are in the barn. Children play in the yard. I walk in the truth. The light shines in the darkness. She believes in God. Paul was in prison. The Spirit moved in the people. Disciples met in the upper room. The scroll was hidden in the chest. He found the coin in the fish. We rested in the shade. Mary stayed in the house. Peter prayed in the garden. I found peace in prayer. The boy hides in the cave. The sheep stays in the field. My parents are in the kitchen. Jesus was born in Bethlehem. You write in your notebook. The baby sleeps in the basket. We learn about God in class. He sits in the room. They sing in the temple. I read the Bible in the morning. She prays in the church.